What's up, everybody? Day's here finally, where I get my fucking car back, dude. We're at BCD Racing. Car's back. I just seen it right now. I peeked it, and I'm gonna go get it real quick. I'm trying to make this shit quick because I have a car wash scheduled for the car, and I gotta be there. So we're finally back, and I'm trying to make this quick. So let's go get this car, man. Yeah, let's go get this car. There she is right there. Oh yeah, what's up, man? It's been a minute. We're right here with Lewis from BCD Racing. I'm about to drive his car for the first time, bro. I don't even fit in this. Damn, dude, she was really, really good at it. Did you ever weigh like where you gutted it?
I think it weighs more now.
You think so?
No, it weighs more now because I think the stock weight is like 28, I believe. 28. And then the back is for your helmet, so when you're like this, because your helmet has a bend on top.
Yeah.
That's why this, it has like an up bend. You see how like the seat is, it goes up?
Okay, yeah, I see.
So when the helmet sits, it's supposed to like sit against this, and then your head doesn't like wobble in it.
I see what you mean.
And this shit's supposed to leave you fucking hit the fucking side. You hit your fucking...
I'm driving now. How much power you put? Golly.
Is the brake off?
Yeah.
I think the estimations are on like 360, 380.
You're also on PPG, huh?
Yeah, that's it. We're good on that foot. He's backing into that foot.
I just want to scrape this shit.
Nah, you're good. It's not gonna break.
So this is what a built engine would make it right.
The motor, you honestly feel a difference in the motor. It's just stronger, you know?
Yeah. And the reason why it goes like that is because of the clutch. shit took my breath. That is crazy. Oh shit. I've never been in a fast car like that.
You just imagine like on the track, like when we actually use the power.
Yeah. Bro, that thing was I think when you got into that third gear, bro, that shit just got scary.
It finally started to take off. Huh?
Yeah. Holy shit, bro. That shit got me sweaty. That's crazy. That's the one with the PPG?
Yeah, that one has PPG.
Damn. So like a built up Type R and shit, like that shit's insane, huh?
Yeah, it'd be like that, of course.
Damn, bro. Yeah, definitely gotta get that shit. Dude, that shit was sick. Didn't drop nothing? So we back in the whip, man. So I got to drive this fucking track car. So everything should be back to stock, aside from the shifter and the exhaust and the wheels. Ooh, dude, this shit is buttery smooth. Just a kid stuck in the matrix, waking up ready to learn some lies. Damn, that's crazy. I'm really back in my whip. The car is smoother though. I ain't gonna lie, I like the way it sounds with like catted downpipe and exhaust. It doesn't sound like too loud, you know? It feels good to not have a check engine light working speedometer. But yeah, man, I'm so glad I got the car back. Like I said, shout out Lewis, BCD Racing. If I have any problems, I'll bring it to him. Hopefully all we gotta do is get rid of the shifter, put back the stock one and the exhaust, and we're completely stock, which is dope. But right now, like I said, I'm about to go home. I downloaded the mobile wash app, so I have a detailer that's supposed to be coming in. I don't like to spread no hate, but I hope you ain't shit. Made my life hard, yeah, I had trauma, had to deal with it. Never fit in nowhere. People would always make fun of my clothes. It's okay, look at me now, pulling up in a double large, stars in the roof, in the Rolex on my left, glistening. Yeah, I got the Cuban on my neck, look. Started believing myself, yeah. Came a better man, trying to help the world, trying to motivate. Alright guys, so car wash is done. Damn, dude, it feels good to fucking treat this car out. It hasn't been washed in 2 months. Damn, they did a great job. Amazing job. So shout out to them. If y'all in the LA area, hit them up. It's a cool Hispanic couple, man. You gotta support your people, you know? But for mobile car wash, $30. Dude, way better than what I would have done. I would have half-assed my shit. Yeah, man, hit them up. Right here is all the info. They're Hispanic, so, you know, you support our own people, man. English and Spanish. All the parts. So, right here we have a PRL Catalyst downpipe already heat wrapped. I have the Race Math PRL Cobra intake, the Ibach Sportline, I believe, and then I have my Flex Fuel. So soon I'll be releasing these parts for sale, and then hopefully y'all can get first dibs on them, man. Parts in great condition, and yeah. Made my life hard. trauma, had to deal with it. Never fit in, no